resting on a pivot, which is used to help move a heavy or firmly fixed load with one end when pressure is applied to the other. There are three classes of lever: Class 1 lever, Class 2 lever, and Class 3 lever. Here are few examples of lever. Let's see how a lever works. Today we are going to study about lever. A seesaw is a good example of lever. This is my fulcrum and this is my lever. As you can see, no weight has been placed on either side and the fulcrum is in the middle of the lever, so it is balanced. And if I place a coin on this side, and in order to balance it, I need to place a coin of the same weight on this side too. Now it is balanced. This is the basic principle. Now if I shift the fulcrum towards one side, it is not balanced. The side which has less distance from the fulcrum lifts up and the side which has more distance from the fulcrum bends down. Although the weights are same on both the sides, but it is not balanced because the fulcrum is not in the middle of the lever. To balance a lever with the same weights, it is necessary for the fulcrum to be in the middle of the lever. And now, in order to balance it, I need to place more coin on this side. It took me only one coin to balance it, because here I placed a 10 rupee coin and here it was a 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coin weighs more than 5 rupee coin. So this is the easiest way to lift anything, that by increasing the distance from one side and decreasing from the other, we can lift anything. And now let's return back to the original position. This was the original position. Now what I'll do is I place one object close to the fulcrum and see what happens. The side which has object nearer to the fulcrum lifts up and the side which has object farther from the fulcrum bends down. And now in order to balance it, I need to place more coins on this side. I placed a 10 rupee coin here, and as I told you earlier that a 10 rupee coin weighs more than a 5 rupee coin, so it got balanced in one coin only. And now this is a second way to lift any object, but at times we are not able to move an object to lift anything, so the way I told you earlier is more appropriate and is used more. Thus, we arrive at the conclusion that we can lift an object by two ways. First, by shifting the fulcrum, that is, by increasing the distance from the fulcrum from one side and decreasing the distance from the other. And the second way is by placing one of the object close to the fulcrum. So we can use any of the two ways to lift an object.